Hey everyone, this is TJ with Out of Sight. Today we are doing a test for 2 out of the 3 SureCall Force 5 systems we are installing at the David Siegel house. First test we're going to do is with this test the system offline, and then we will turn it off online to test the difference. The initial antenna that we are going to test right now is the first one in the hallway in between the bowling alley and the indoor pool. This side is the spiral staircase side and the MDF side of the house. So let's get started. Underneath the first antenna in that hallway, we are at 40% signal with negative 110 dB strength. So not that good down here. Let's go ahead, try to load a website here and see what happens. Okay, so website's still load fine. That's great. So let's go to the middle antenna in this hallway. This is the one right outside the indoor pool. So let's refresh it here. We're at 25% signal strength and negative 119 dBs. So not good at all. Next, we are going to walk to the changing room areas in the indoor pool region. This area, because you can't see my camera unfortunately, it is full of drywall and concrete board, and this is where they're putting the showers and stuff, so there's a good amount of stuff going on in here. So let's go ahead and wait for the app to refresh. And right now it is reading disconnected. So I actually have no network back here, and that fluctuates quite a bit back here. Sometimes I have 1 bar, sometimes I have 2. But right now I literally have nothing. So let's go on to the next thing. All right, now I got service back. Let's move to the end of this hallway here. This is the last antenna in this hallway. This whole region is basically a big dead zone, as you can see from my status bars. So we're going to stand under the inactive antenna, the last one in this hallway. And we're at negative 114 dB with a 34% signal. Let's try to load something here and see what happens. I cannot type today. And we might be able to get a website. Yeah, got a website after a little bit. Okay, so let's go back. This is the indoor bowling alley. We are standing right next to the antenna that is inactive right now. And we're at negative 116 with a 31% signal strength. So once again, not too awful. I mean, everywhere's got signal at least, so that's good. Let's move to the apartments. Down here we have 3 different housing units, along with all the washer and dryer hookups, and another main room. Long hallway. We're hoping this one just covers the entire area. And as you can see, everywhere's been pretty good so far, so this is not too much of a concern. So we're going to refresh it right underneath the antenna that's inactive. Negative 107 dB, 44%, and that was the hallway of the apartments. And last but not least, we'll go check out the garage. We got pretty decent signal in there already, so this will just be an improvement, especially when they start adding everything in there like vehicles and whatever else. walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. That's all you do in this house. Walk, walk, walk. As you can see, I have the step counter on my phone, so that way I can keep track of when I'm here. Oh, and of course, crashed again. This app does not like my phone today. All right, so now we're in the garage. This is the opposite end, not the MDF side, the IDF side and the mezzanine side. Negative 106 right underneath it. Once again, inactive. Now we will walk to the antenna closest to the MDF. We'll do a refresher. And now we are at negative 111 with a 38% signal strength. All right, that's it for now. Stay tuned for the connected one. Thank you.